Hello, pickpickers and sheep punchers. This is JuryDutySummons, and we're back. And what I wanted to do today is explore one of the kind of the side mods in the Technic pack called the Weapons mod. Yes, the Weapons mod. And this is a really interesting mod. It has some cool stuff that I really look forward to playing with. So first of all, 3 sugarcane. This is the first thing I want to take a look at, is the blowgun. I've already made one, so I shall just grab the one I've already made, and we'll just take that out of there for now. And let's just do, I don't know. Let's make some paper, but I don't need to, I guess. Take a look at this. This is how you make the ammo for the blowgun. Blowgun darts. And let's make just a couple more. I don't really need very many more. So there we go. So let's take a look at that. So you load it by just right-clicking. Click. You hear it kind of clicked right there. Yep. And now that it's loaded, you can pull it back like an arrow and fires. And so there you go. It fires a blowgun. So let's load it again. When you hit something, it actually poisons it. So what are you doing down there? Chunk. There you go. Poor turtle. It won't actually kill whatever you're shooting at, though, so that's alright. That's the one I've played with already, so that's why I actually had it made, because I couldn't wait. Alright, so let's look at the next one here. So, 2 sticks and a wooden plank will create a stock. And we're going to need another one of those. I already have one, but another one we need. And then we also need a musket barrel. I already have one made, but that's alright. I also need to make a blunderbuss barrel. So we'll make that right now. Perfect. And here we go. So a musket barrel with a stock creates a musket. And a blunderbuss barrel with a stock creates a blunderbuss. I got guns. Alright. I guess now that we have guns, I need to shoot something with it. So here we go. Here's how to make the musket rounds. So it's a bit of iron, gunpowder, and paper. Creates 8 musket rounds. So let's make a stack of them, I guess. And gravel, gunpowder, and paper makes blunderbuss shots. So let's make a stack of those as well. There we go. And let's see. I believe it's right-click to load as well. Oops. I kind of lagged it. What are you lagging it for? Okay, let's see here. So, okay, not loaded. Interesting. Which one is this? Oh, the musket, right. Okay. So, huh. That's kind of weird. That amused me. That amused me greatly. Let's find something to shoot at. Oh, before we do that, there is one more thing I wanted to make. I gotta pull up the recipe, so I'm gonna pause for just a minute and put that together in the tables. Alright, I am back. So here's what we need. We need some iron ingots, some wood, and a flint and steel. And that creates a cannon. That is awesome. Okay, so we made the cannon. We gotta fire something with it. Let's do that. So it is a cross of smoothstone, and that makes a cannonball. Let's just make a bunch of those, because this is going to be fun. And in order to fire that, I'm gonna need to carry some gunpowder on me. Let's just make some more real quick here. Let's just do that. Get a whole stack of this stuff. Alright, let's put that away. Yeah, let's put that right there. I kind of want to see how many rounds I have, so I'm going to put them over there. Alright, cool. Alright, I'm going to go off in the distance over there, and we'll look for things to shoot at. And I'll pause right here, so I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. We already have something to shoot at. And just reloaded my rifle. Let's see if I can hit this thing. Ah, I missed. So click, click, that's loaded. Okay. Oh, that was cool. One hit and I got him. Okay. Let's see what's over in this direction. Oh. Rats. Okay, there we go. Am I done with this mine yet? Is this done yet? That's hard to say. Oh, there's water on the bottom. Oh, that's good. Oh, see how that poisoned him right there? Cool. Okay, let's do this a little bit better. I didn't want him right there in front of me to do this. Alright, so we loaded that. We're going to pull it back. So there you go. You can see him. Oh, I didn't get him. Let's try that again. I guess it doesn't work on them. That's alright. Alright, so we have the blunderbuss now. Going to load. So it's one click. Just needs one click, I guess. Okay. Oh, that's fun. Alright, get closer, would you? Ah, go away. Dying right now is not what I want to do. Oh, that is so fun. Click. Let's let this one also. There's one more load. There we go. So it's 2 clicks. I'm not sure why that's about. This is way too much fun. Oh, I can't believe it. Guns in Minecraft. It's ridiculous. Okay. Alright, well, enough fooling around. Let's get with a heavy artillery. Don't know how this works, but I think it gets placed. Oh. Whoa. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Okay, alright, it's loaded now. I thought it was loaded now. Okay, maybe I need to do with gunpowder also? Fire! I gotta check this out. Something's not working right. Okay, I figured it out. The button to fire is jump. Oh, that's hilarious. Let's try that. Man, it's like a it's like a TNT going off. This is so awesome. Ooh, you're dead, spider. You're dead to me. Oh, maybe not. If I was better aim. I bombed the spider. Let's get those cactuses. The funny thing is, it looks like we're firing a furnace. Ooh, how far can I aim? Oh, not very far. This ain't no artillery piece, I guess. Okay, let's see. Let's aim for that mountain over there. So it's hitting not very far. Okay, well, that's alright. It's kind of hoping to go a little farther, but it's okay. Okay, one more time. Let's see if we get this guy there. Oh, that's fun. Alright, let's hop out of this. Right click. There we go. Yeah, it's ready to fire for next time. Oh, that is so awesome. Who else? Who else is out there? Nobody. There are a bunch more pieces to the weapons mod, like a bunch of hand weapons and melee weapons, some knives, some daggers, and all sorts of stuff. There's even a really cool thing where you can add a bayonet to this thing. I just didn't have it done yet. Ooh, oh, oh, pig. Good night, pig. Oh. No, let's just do this. This is the way to go. Hello, pig. Yeah, you better run. Oh, this is too fun. Alright, awesome. Alright, with this, I feel like I'm at least partially ready to go after that skeleton place. Alright, well that's enough for today. How about I have a like that guy from that movie that I'm thinking of, but I can't remember the name of. Yes. Anyway. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day.